Assalamu alaikum and hello guys. This story presented that my cousin grandmother. She says that she has a habit of walking in his dream at night. We were thinking that when she grows up, she will leave this habit, but no. Uh, now she is the student of 8th class, but she's still walking at night in the dream. Uh, one night I saw that she woke up in a dream and she was going to the gate. She opened the gate, so I also followed her. She kept going and I was following her. I had a feeling that she is talking to someone, but no one there. Then I saw that slogan come passing through that drain. She indicated to some that we was coming this way. Oh my god, so scary. She said I was uh, she said that I was so scared, and then she was entering cemetery. I grabbed her hand and said, "What are you doing?" She also scared, and then I brought her home, and I am so scared of them now. Okay, friends, this is a real story of my cousin grandmother, and she oftenly said about her. And I am so scared to listen this story, so I want to share and discuss with you. So please tell me on comment. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.